student, Namaskar. In today's video, we are going to learn about working and construction of electric motor. How the electric motor work. For that, we are going to perform some simple activities. Let's start. In this first activities, we take here these conductors, and the two terminal of these conductors are fixed in the with the help of these safety pins. Now connect these safety pins to terminals of this battery. Now see, now first, before passing electric current, the conductor is in a steady position, but when we pass electric current through the conductors, observe that conductor start to move, means some force get act on that conductors. As we pass electric current, there is a movement of conductor. We can easily see, as we pass electric current, these conductors, these copper wires get moved because of force. Means when electric current pass through conductors and that conductors kept in a magnetic field, then it experience force. From this simple activity, we can conclude, when current carrying conductor kept in magnetic field, it experience force. This principle is used in a electric motor. Let's see another simple activity. Here we kept some magnet here, and in the magnetic field we kept this coil. This is actually copper resist coating wire, and that wire is in a connection of these safety pins. Now here we again connect this safety pin to the battery. As we connect this safety pin to the battery, we observe the force get apply on this coil, and because of that force, these coils rotate continuously till the electric current pass through that coils is in a magnetic field. When current carrying conductor kept in magnetic field, it experience force, and because of that force, it's remain in a rotation position or rotation state. Here also, current carrying conductor when kept in a magnetic field, it experience force, and because of that force, that conductors are remain in motion. This is called a simple model of electric motor, and these principles is used in electric motor. Now, what is the direction of this electric force? Direction of electric force is determined by using Fleming left hand rule. Imagine our thumb, our index finger and middle fingers are in a perpendicular to each other. Then if the magnetic field is indicated by this index finger and current passing through conductor is indicated by this middle finger, then the force acting on conductor is indicated by this thumb. This is called Fleming thumb's left hand rule. By using Fleming left hand rule, the direction of force acting on conductor is determined. Now let's see what is the actually construction of electric motor. For that, we can use this simple model which we show the internal structure of electric motor. Here in the electric motor there is a armature coil. This is the armature coil A, B, C, D, and this armature coil is kept in this magnetic field. This is a strong magnet. Here we use half split ring, two half split ring. These two half split ring are connected with this carbon brush, and this carbon brush, two carbon brush is connected to battery. Definition of electric motor. Electric motor is a device in which electrical energy get converted into mechanical energy, and this electric motor work on the principle. That principle is current carrying conductor when kept in a magnetic field, it experience force, and that direction of that force is determined by Fleming left hand rule. Now let's see how the electric motor work. When we connect these two terminals, to the battery, means we pass electric current to this battery, to this coil. When electric current pass through coil, this is first this electric current pass through A, B, C, D, this coil. Coil is in a magnetic field. The direction of electric current passing through coil is from A, B, C, D. When current pass through AB arm, it experience force in a downward direction. So AB arm push in a down. Same time, the electric current through these CD arms in a direction of opposite to AB, C, D. So the force is acting on in upward direction. Therefore, that coil get rotated in anti-clockwise direction like this. In anti-clockwise direction. And because of this half split ring, current get flow through these coils continuously, and coil rotate continuously in a anti-clockwise direction. Thus, electrical energy get converted into mechanical energy. Working of electric motor is used in a many device like electric fan, refrigerator, vacuum cleaner, blower, all many instrument this electric motor is used. Student, this is a simple example of free electric motors. Here we use the coil, and two terminal of coil is connected to battery. When we pass electric current through this coil, the magnetic force, the force get apply on this fidget spinner, and because of that force, fidget spinner get rotate continuously. Let's see. Now see, till the electric current get passed through this coil, electric force get apply on this fidget spinner, and because of that force, this fidget spinner remain in a motion. This principle is used in an electric fan like motor. This is a simple example of electric motor. Till we are not disconnect the current, it is remain in a motion. When we disconnect it, the force it stops, and the speed of fidget spinner decreases, and slowly it's come in a rest position. This is a simple example of electric motor. Student, I hope you understood the working and construction of electric motors, how electric motor work. Please, if you like this video, share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.